Hey guys, it's Shane again. Friday afternoon, well, late afternoon, 12th of November. All right, let's have a quick look at the cryptos, what they're doing. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. For those who have been following me for quite a few months now, will know these are quite good. I'm starting a new Discord channel, server they call it. So I will have a private one for the guys who want to learn and how to enter and when to take profit and so on. So this will be based on elite wave technical analysis, and yeah, so looking forward to some guys joining me. Okay, guys, very quickly. Okay, so it's late Friday afternoon, so let's just see what we got. Bitcoin. All right, so nothing has changed. Still the same picture I gave you guys last week and the week before, and the week before. So nothing has actually changed. Let's have a quick look at the bigger picture of things. Let's look at DXY. So DXY, what is that? That's the dollar index, which tells you the dollar's going up or going down. So in this case, if the dollar's going up, which has been quite strong the last few weeks, well, actually last few months, that means euros going down, pounds going down, the ZAR is going down, and that is why you got the dollar ZAR has been sitting back over there. So once this is finished, the ZAR will weaken, which means this will go up. That means the dollar will go up. Okay, so anyway, so that's just a quick overview. As you guys know, I'm a forex trader for the last 20 years. So if this comes down now, that's a weakness coming in for the dollar, hopefully. One more dip before the big bull run for quite a long term. So if that's the case, let's just see where we are in other pictures. Let's see. Gold, for some reason, is going up and up and up, even though the dollar index is going up. Normally, these guys are opposite, because normally, if you're buying dollars, you're selling your gold, and vice versa. Oil, like I said, that time down here was a buy opportunity. Natural gas, I don't want to get into that anymore. But if you look at stocks, look at this on a daily chart. This goes up and up and up. It doesn't want to stop. This will end very soon, I think. Same for the DAX and the UK FTSE. So as you can see, these things are not stopping. All right, enough of that other stuff. Let's look at the cryptos. So this is your total market cap. So remember, I set you 1, 2 down here with 5 mini waves inside to finish our wave 3. Now we've got ABC 3-wave correction for wave 4, and we literally now at the last stages of wave 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just trying to see what this thing is doing in the middle here. So this could very easily be done and do this sort of thing and tank a bit more. But yeah, so it's very close to the top and reversing quite strongly. So looking at that, also if I look at Bitcoin, if you guys remember my charts I posted a couple of weeks ago, still the same thing. Here's my wave 3, I think, which is now A. B, when it broke this high. Now this is where I want new guys to not fall for the trap. If you're a breakout trader, there's the high. You see this thing going up. What do the guys normally do? The new guys, they buy, because I think this is going to go to the moon because it's now making a new high. This is not how it works, guys. You need to know structure and you need to know how to counter waves. So basically, it breaks the high, gets everyone sucked in for buy orders, and then it drops. And then what happens? It drops all the way down here, breaks is low, thinking, oh, okay, I better get out, start selling. And this is no, and it goes up again. So you need to understand the structure and where you are in the wave count. At the moment, I believe we are on wave 3, finishing a wave 4, and then one more up for 5. But just to let you know, after looking at a few other things, this could actually be the wave 5 completed here, not the 3, 4 doing now. So if that's the case, this will be my wave 1, and I'm busy doing the wave 2. And if that is the case, guys, this is going to be one massive bull run from there. Only if this is wave 2, but I'm just waiting to confirm how high this next wave is going to go. Then I'll have more information. Okay, so on a daily chart, you can still see the original when we got to the top here, broke down. So you guys are trying to figure out if this is a 5-wave or 3-wave down. I don't want to share this now, but I have shared it last month and the month before and a few weeks ago, where this could be the A, the B, and the C for a massive correction, okay? And then a big bull run after that. That is still an option. Or if this is wave 4, which we're all hoping, then this is 1, 2, and now we're busy building wave 3 up or 5. So if I just zoom out of my daily chart, I'm pretty sure I've got it here all counted already. Let me just zoom out here. Yes, I do. There we go. So there's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 203. Okay, we've got other targets, 127 and different things like that, but that will only be confirmed once we see if this is a perfect 3-5 wave structure. If that's the case, then yes, we'll have a pullback to 4 again and then continue up. Only if certain things are in place. But at the moment, just be aware we can still get this big move down before the big move up. All right, those are all my pictures I've sent you guys over weeks and weeks and months now. I've been sharing those charts, and the guys calling me a bear for some reason. I don't know why. I'm not a bear. I just play what I see. All right, so next one. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum has been very, very good, very strong actually. If you look at this 4-hour chart, this channel is just not breaking. So if you look at this, this is wave 3, wave 4. We finished with that now, ABC. 1, 2, there's our 3. Now we finish our 4 and our 5. Okay, now that could be the last of that. But remember, I said to you about 2 weeks ago, I said 5,000 is my target. I need to see 5,000 to be more comfortable with the fact that it's finished. If this is a, we call any diagram, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and that actually could be the last move. That will confirm only if we go down and break through this channel. This is what I posted last few days ago. Let me just quickly go to 1 hour. I think we're breaking through it now as I'm making this video. Oh boy. Okay. So guys, there we go. If we get recap, this might be the top now, 5. So if that's a 1, that's a 2. This needs to be, if this only makes it equal legs, if that equals that, then we still got a chance for this to do one more high, okay? But if this keeps going down 1.6 longer than this first one, then we'll have a wave 3, wave 4, another wave 5. So yes, that's going to be about a lot more painful going downwards. So, but not to worry, we won't go too far. Sorry, I'm just laughing because it's happening while I'm making the video. Same thing for Litecoin. I wanted to point something out to everyone before this happened. 1, 2, 3. This could be the 4, and that could be the 5, and then we go down, right? But we have to see what's going to happen down here. So for those holding Litecoin, just keep that in mind. XRP, I'm heavily invested in XRP. Let's just see where we are. This is actually, sorry, I'm talking very fast now because everything's happening and I don't want to miss out on what am I doing. So I've got on XRP, after that correction, ABC correction, we've got our 5 waves up for 1. We've got a nice WXY for our wave 2. Okay, so there's wave 2. And I set you guys goodbye area. Then we had a nice impulsive 5 wave up. So that's our mini wave 1 inside that, with a nice 3 moves down to our wave 2. And then we should just fly. And it happened, and it happened, and it all looked good. So if I just go to the 1 hour to give you more detail. Okay, so now we're all happy. This actually shot out long before Bitcoin and everyone else. So things are looking good. And then Bitcoin and everything else crashed a few days ago. Overnight, we're all sleeping, and now we've got the situation. So now, the scary part is, guys, if this correction like this breaks this low, which is 112, 114, if it breaks it low, unfortunately, it's going to go lower. Okay? If we stay above this, and this will turn around and go up, but strongly, this means we are still in play for the 1, very crazy ABC move like that, and then wave 3. And always, remember I told you, wave 3 is always the longest wave and the strongest wave. So if that happens, Great. If we break below this, then I need to close my longs. I will close my longs. But that's me personally. For those guys are holding, in fact, if you're holding, don't worry, because if I just zoom in a bit here, we'll zoom out. So there's my wave 2, right? That actually gets moved to 1, 2, 3 to over there. Okay, so if this has been a wave 2, so that'll be more 1, A, B, C, 2, and then we go. All right. But we could have a bit of a worse situation where the bigger wave 2 gets moved to over there. All right. And that means there's my 1, and that's my, let's get another color here. WXY for my A, WXY for my B, and then we should have 3, 4, 5 waves, 3 or 5 waves down for C, which will make us a expanding flat. That's what you're basically seeing on Bitcoin at the moment, which is an expanding flat. From there, you should have your bull run starting from there. Okay. So for me, I really wanted to go from here, obviously, because there's my channel, and I don't want it to go lower, and then I have to get out. But I could hold and just wait down there. But then again, I do have leveraged trades in my position, in my portfolio. Okay, it's XRP, and very quickly look at what else we got. BTT, which is your other one I mentioned a few months or a month ago, which I really wanted to buy down here. There's my box all ready to go, and it spiked so hard and so quickly I couldn't get in, so it went up. So now I'm waiting for this correction to finish off. I bought over here. That's my green arrow, ready for to go. Unfortunately, it spiked down with Bitcoin and the rest of them. So as long as I can stay above that pin bar, we are golden. Otherwise, if that's not the case, then we've got to have there's your A, B, another 3 waves, another 3 waves. So you got A, 1, 2, 3, B, 1, 2, 3, C, 4, and then we can go. So be careful of that. And then the last one, or not last one, let's see what else we got here. TRON, guys, I have shared this on the Facebook page quite a few times. Okay, this one is quite a nice looking structure. I love the way it looks. There's my ABC. After the massive bull run, got ABC correction. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got A. Now how do we work this ABC correction over here? So it's very easy in my mind. If I just have a look at it, after years of experience, you can tell that that's a move up. Because that's a sideways move like that we call it a flat. And you should have another 5 waves up for that, or 3 waves. So you got your A, and this 3 waves here becomes the B, and we should have a C down there. Then, guys, that is the place I'm buying TRON big time. So if you're not into TRON yet, please keep an eye on this move, because that will be a very nice buy. I've actually shorted, if I just zoom out, see there's 2 lines there, 2 purple lines, that always indicates where I short or get into a market. That's actually where I shorted TRON, because I said to you guys last week, I said that's down, now we've got to move up for C, and now we're going to move down to there, which I'm hoping for, and there we go. So entered, and now we're going. So it's all looking good over there. Happy days. What else am I shorting? ADA, Cardano. Let me just show you the crazy chart I drew up. A professional trader actually asked me what is going on in the middle. They couldn't figure it out. So what I did was I showed them I've got my 3 waves down, which is a W, and because we wanted this to be a triangle and then push down, the triangle never happened. It actually became a 1, 2, 3 B, 1, 2, 3 C up to there. So that was your move down. This was your correction for X. And now I'm expecting to move down to, what is this, 150 something area. Okay, I have more clarity when I'm closer to it or nearer the time. So guys, okay, good luck. I see I'm running out of time now. What else we got? Very quickly, last 10 seconds. Okay, I've got SHIB as a 1, 2, 3 correction. Hoping for that to go. It didn't go. It made another correction. So it could go from there, which is your made move, or we could do a triangle and then go, or we could do a flag and then go. But I will let you know later. Okay, good luck.